Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Here's what we got. We are rebuilding this little cook lean-to type deal here, and a tree limb had come down and hit it and tore this whole end apart. So it knocked the post in the ground. So we're digging them out right now. We're lifting the post up a little bit, get it back level. And we're probably gonna have to do the same thing with this one here, because it's down about 2 or 3 inches. And then we're gonna redo it. So we got the Kubota, the L3800. We're out here using, and this is Wes's tractor. Sweet little machine. I'm not sure if I like the hydrostatic transmission or not, but so far it seems to be good. So we're going to get the concrete in here.
Right there's the right chip in it right there. I'm just going to take a piece of one of these scrap boards, run across the ground. I'm going to hold it right. And then on each side. I agree.
So let me take y'all over here and show you what we're doing here. So we run a couple of screws down in there, sticking out of the post. And what that does is when you put the concrete in there, it kind of acts like a little bit of rebar. Helps attach the concrete to the post better, so it's more stable. So now we're going to run a board across here like this. It sits on the ground, so that holds it up until the concrete sets, and then that keeps it up.
yeah, it looks like it was because my truck's sitting like that. I kept looking at it, and I looked down. I looked down here. I was like 5, 10, 15. What the hell? That's another diesel set. Gotcha. Like that. I know about where the level was if you want to bring it up as high as the other one, but we just have to pack it. We ain't got more concrete. Yeah, we'll just pack it.
I just want to see where it's at.
Yeah, how far off it is from me. Shit, I got nails everywhere. I can't use the damn thing over the cutting here. What do you? I ain't got the damn tool belt on yet. Hey, good morning. It's about the same as the other side.
Okay, well, then we'll leave it.
I just leave it. I
Yep.
mean, it ain't enough to see.
Yep.
You know what I mean? You got some extra hurricane clips. We ain't trying to save this raggedy thing, are we?
No, take it off. I got 4 of them. So we got to take them nails out.
You think they're so soft in there?
You take that one out, and you take them 4 nails out there. And you got to stick the fan board up here. And then we got basically do it just like the other side down there. This is just an optical illusion from the ground.
Yes.
Stick a level on this.
So which way? Is it left and right?
Yeah, going this way and see what it looks like. Still got it up there?
Yeah.
What'd you do with it?
I ate it.
Oh, here it is. Yeah, you are a level leader today.
I'm hungry.
Oh, you're starting mom.
Oh, you eat so much wood.
You have 4 hours, eat all my wood.
Oh, you eat too much of buffet. You go, you go. Then we leave.
The being that nail, the hammer won't grab it.
They had a buffet, like Chinese buffet in Leesburg. But they had a thing, you order a buffet or whatever, draft beers, as much as you can drink for free.
Oh, shoot.
On some way it's like a Thursday or some shit. Maybe it's one of the slow days. But we'd ordered a buffet. We get like a couple egg rolls. And he said, nothing more beer, more beer, like 4 or 5 of us. You can't just do, have to eat too, you drink too much beer. They started snapping on us after about the 3rd time we did it, man. Like 10 pictures later. Like, this ain't working.
Hey, you said we order the buffet, you know?
Yeah, you didn't say there were no rules on that shit.
We paid for the buffet, you know? Shit.
Yeah, right?
Give you a bonus for you. We don't
No, they figure you eat all you can eat. You go and drink 1 pitcher of beer, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not 7. I guess they figured they were losing. After about the 3rd time we did it. These guys don't want to drink all the beer. We're going to run out of beer.
Sorry about your luck. Should have told me all you could drink.
Yeah, free. And it was Bud draft too. It wasn't even some bullshit. Hey, fat ass milk.
Yeah, they are. Alright, come over here.
Come over here.
Oh, we're recording too.
Okay, sir. Just balls, huh? This morning, everything he was going.
That's actually pretty sweet, isn't it?
Yeah, that's almost like.
That's almost dead on.
Maybe a 1/4.
I wouldn't worry about it then. I'd say, let's just make sure we got them, let's stick our board up here and make sure we got this thing squared out.
Like,
Yeah.
always pack that side.
Yeah,
Real good.
we'll pull it, well, if they stick the board up on one side, it's somewhat straight. Oh, good Lord. Yeah, that whole thing's tweaking hard. We need to push this over before this post sets.
That's not hard. Check that post behind you. See that over that. Just get the kick. Oh, probably that way.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a house, but
No.
you know, you don't want to look crazy either.
I'm saying this one's pretty sweet. Like that's just a little off, so just them two. Maybe go
Come
back
this
that
way?
way. Yeah. So I think what we'll do is we'll just we'll screw this board up here, and then we'll kind of tweak it, and then we'll put the braces on it. So.
Okay.
So if you want to cut us from 20, I think they're 26 to 28.
20.
Yeah, I think that's what this comes out to be, 28.
Oh, I thought you were just going to put here your crossboard. I thought you were just going to put your crossboard across right now.
Yeah, we still got to keep this from racking
Right.
that way. So I want to put this one on here to there.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, and then put our braces in there so it keeps it from racking.
Gotcha. I got you, ball. We do it right now.
Same thing on this one. We'll do the same thing here. We'll bring one up to here, up to here to help keep that from racking.
They used to, when they used 2x8 down there?
Yeah, we got it laying over there, so.
Oh, we do it?
Yeah. Now that we got this board in here, we should be able to take the chain off.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah, that would be very cool. All right, folks, here's what we got. We are talking to Five here on the phone right at the moment. Y'all say hi.
how's it going, guys?
So we're getting our pieces put back together. So she's into it, you know.
Right.
All right. Well, all right, sorry folks, we had a battery go out, so we are back. Just wanted to show you all of what we're doing here. And looks like I got to cut some more cross pieces.
So what are you working on right there, Gary?
Hang on. I'll send you.
I'm going back up to make my last stand. I'm gonna dust it off with my own hands. Black blizzard coming, old man keep running. You better get out while you can. We were broke, cold, let in, pushed out. Thought I heard it so, to up and leave this town. Head out west, they say, maybe California, and leave this dead land behind. So long, Oklahoma, I think they said farewell to me. Sleep beneath the stars in California, dreaming of that old used to be. I'm going back up until I can't stand. I'm gonna cut it down with my own two hands. Tall timber falling, I hear Tulsa calling, saying, won't you come back when you can? So long, Oklahoma, I think they said farewell to thee. Sleep beneath the stars in California, dreaming of that old used to be.
Went for a walk with the stars last night. Did not believe that I would end up right. Lucky endings were not something for me. I drove around all across the land. Thought that I was caught in a one-man band, but playing all those sad and lonely songs. My faith was lost, my hope was gone. My dreams were shattered and I was done. I was roaming down the street in my weary feet, and then you came along with the love so strong. You took me out of the cold into the fire. You're picking me up when I'm down on the ground. Whenever I'm low, you are lifting me higher. And when I am lost, you make sure that I'm found. Out of the cold into the fire. Out of the cold into the fire. This is too good for a man like me, be treated by someone so tenderly. I'm afraid that I might wake up someday. Sometimes I feel like I'm someone else. I don't really know if I can trust
All right, folks. Well, here we go. We're about to put the roof on.
I swear to God.
That is way too sensitive. Let me see if we can lift it back up and put screws in it.
Oh. I wanted to be laughing by being right. Start your video over, will you? You're an operator. You can't do that.
This thing is so bad.
You can't tell the people that.
I thought it was so touchy.
Hey, I know. Because it's new.
I just barely.
It's brand new. The hydraulic pressure and the pump is kick ass. You know what I mean? I told you, I like a half-hour, 4-hour machine. I don't like a half.
Yeah.
Well, that's real shit.
You don't want idle, it's okay.
I found a flat head. Anytime you do that, you walk under there, you get eye contact with that man. You understand? Get you hurt.
Yeah.
gonna have to lift it up. Let me come over there where you're at. Hey, let me take this brace off. Well, let me come over there and lift it up and you can take the brace off. Okay. Yeah, watch this water line. You're all right.
So that thing don't have a variable pump to it.
It's like all or nothing.
Yeah.
I know.
Doesn't matter if it's low idle or high idle.
It's not a Caterpillar, bro. It ain't no down Case or John Deere. Push. Ow, bitch. Got me. No, stabbed me.
Get a hammer.
Yeah.
See what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5, happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind, trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like simple life.